Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to give you guys a quick update on the build so far. Just picked these up from Jordan at Bulletproof Powder Coating here in Riverside, and we went with a, I guess you could say it's like a fire truck red. Nothing special on this color here. And for the white, we did cosmic white. So he's got a little bit of pearl in there. And I think they came out great. I'm not sure if the camera's picking it up, but yeah, you can see it right there. Pretty nice. I like it. Yeah, I mean, we ended up deciding that we're gonna essentially restore the 1987 Banshee back to what the original colors are. However, with some minor upgrades. I got some LSR hubs. That one's still stock. LSR hubs here from my old setup. White swing arm, white carrier, red dog bone, and linkage. I'm still missing a couple parts. The front bumper is getting finished up. It'll be done next week, as well as the J-arms. So had to touch those up a bit, so they'll be ready next week. I got the shocks here, well, the springs here. I'm going to be rebuilding the shocks myself if I'm able to find the parts. I still got to go ahead and clean off the edges. Usually after a powder coat job, you have to, retap your threads. I already went ahead and did that to the rest of the frame. So I have to do that to the rest of these parts here. But I think this is enough to start putting it together. Swing arm for sure. J-arms not till next week, so bummer there. But yeah, just a quick update today, and we'll see what else we can do with the as far as the color scheme. If you notice, I did keep my front fender mounts, whatever you call these pieces. So it will be a full fender Banshee. Man, looks like Candy Lane or Candyland. Candy cane. Looks like a candy cane. Yeah, guys, stay tuned for the next video. Not sure it's gonna be, we're gonna cut it really close as far as getting this build ready for the Banshee run. So yeah, stay tuned for the upcoming video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick little rundown of what's going on now. And yeah, hope you guys have a great day. Peace.